Today's featured apparatus is our Vengeant Blizzard on an F550 chassis. This apparatus has been built for our friends over at Bethany Volunteer Fire Department in Bethany, West Virginia. We feature a buck stop lift kit with a buck stop bumper, Whelen summit sticks, which act as front scenes and emergency lighting, 500 Vs in the bumper with puddle lights, a Warren 16.5 winch. As we move to the side, we also have FireTech laser cannons, which we're using as fog lights. We have our 500 Vs in the front fenders with built-in puddle lights. We have a set of custom Vengeant running boards, which are PPC'd in-house. They have 4 Whelen T-ions, red, white. We have a set of custom badges, which our market graphics department has designed. We have a custom paint job as well, which is done in-house. We have a Whelen Liberty 2 light bar. We have a Waterous 1250 CXS pump with a Pump Boss governor. We also have a Streammaster 2 deck gun on top. We're featuring Hanson backlit grab rails and Innovative Control backlit blue pump gauges. We have a Kuzma auto charge system with a 20 amp auto eject plug. We have our M9 Whelen warning lights along with our Guardian series scene lighting. Cast product SCBA cylinder storage as well. As we move to the rear, you'll see Whelen strip light pluses in our rub rails. We have a set of custom Vengeant mud flaps with the customer's department initials. As we go to the rear of the truck, we feature our HiViz BG2 lighting in the top of the module, which acts as an arrow stick and also functions as a scene light and an emergency response light as well. We have our suction cylinder, our suction tube storage, along with a Haney hose reel, a 2.5-inch rear discharge, ladder storage for a 16-foot extension ladder, a 10-foot roof ladder, and also an attic ladder. The truck also features HiViz sub-aqua ground lights. And as we move to the curb side of the truck, you'll see all the same features as you did on the street side of the truck. I'll meet you inside for a look around on the inside. Welcome back. The interior of the vehicle features a custom console, which is full length. We have our Whelen core controller, which we're using to control all our lighting. We have our pump shift. We also have a custom radio install along with cup holders, a custom map book slot, and we did some custom flashlight mounting for the customer as well. We also removed the rear seats and installed an HO Bostrom SCBA seats for 2 seats in the rear.